On the first video of mine, you guys have seen my journey from New Delhi to Kasol. Now I am going towards Chalal and Katagla. As you can see, I am doing the trek to Chalal. So this is the road which will lead you to Chalal village. As you can see, it's a bit of trekking. We need to do a bit of trek basically to reach Chalal village. I am not going to Chalal village right now. I'm looking for a place to sit and have some tea or coffee. This is the beauty of Parvati Valley. There is no one to disturb you. As I told you, I am on my own. This is a solo trip. And Kasol is one of the favorite place for every backpackers. Everything is just 24 karat gold. We don't get all this in our city life. Every place leads you to panoramic view. As you can see, my hotel is probably on that side, so I came from that side to this lane through that bridge. I crossed that bridge. That is the famous Kasol bridge which leads you to Chalal, and this is the road where I came from. And this road basically leads you to Chalal, where I am not going right now. I am going for a search of a tea stall. That's it. After 15 minutes of hike, I sat in a tea stall. Plan is slightly changed. Now I am planning to trek up till Chalal. This is how life is here. Heading towards Chalal village. More 10 to 15 minutes to go. It's a trekking route basically, so you need to be careful when you are walking and when you are vlogging too at the same time. It's a bit trippy. The trek is lead through riverside only. See the vibrant landscape. officially entering Chalal village after a mere 30 to 35 kilometers, 30 to 35 minutes of trekking. Check the breathtaking landscape. A village in the laps of the mountain.
पहिला कति निकाल्नुहुन्छ त्यतिबेला
So entered Chalal village. This is the main road. This is village Katagla. It's a near about 2 hours trek from Kasol. Many people are doing camping here. You can do camping too here, but there is lot of hiking. Please keep that in mind. This road leads to Kasol from Katagla. I am returning my homestay right now. It's a breezy, sunny weather right now. It's afternoon, 12 p.m. A gorgeous day and a gorgeous hiking too. From Kasol to Chalal, from Chalal to Katagla, and now from Katagla to Kasol, a 3-kilometer walk. What more do you expect than this kind of roads and this kind of walking? It's a sunny afternoon in the Himalayas here in Kasol, but I love to walk around. Wow, lovely weather. Parvati river is flowing that side. Less tourist. What more do you expect? Give it a shot. Do solo backpacking trip in the Himalayas. This is Choj bridge. As you can see, the river is flowing. Choj village is that side. This side, you can go this side to Kasol and straight Manikaran and then to Baseni. So this is what it is. There are plenty of camping options. As you can see, you can choose any one from it. Thank you. Like it said, this is the little hamlet in Kasol. Welcome to Choj village. There are riverside camps and hostel. You can stay wherever you like. Yeah, this means real. This is Choj village. Beautiful. Many tents are there. You can come here for camping. It's around 2.5 kilometer from Kasol. I just came here for an afternoon walk after I had an Israeli lunch. Beautiful place for camping. As you can see, beautiful place for camping. Another camping place. It's a good option for camping. All you need to do is a bit of hiking. It's a very sunny day here at Kasol.